One of my favorite things about Japan is Omotenashi, a real sense of the customer. Here I am taking off on a plane, and the ground crew is waving at the plane. This is very common. You leave a major company, and the president and general manager and everybody stands out and waves at you.
We have a real sense for the customer. We have an expression, Omotenashi, which means that a spirit of hospitality.
You're waving goodbye at the end of a factory tour or getting in a taxi cab and the door automatically opens. And the same taxi cab has all the charging cables for whatever phone you might have. Or you're in a public restroom where every detail has been thought about, including if you're a child, to make sure the toilets are accommodating to you. And of course, we express Omotenashi back to them as we're leaving because we've learned this deep sense of respect for the customer. Omotenashi, it's just a beautiful custom that ingratiates your heart to be thankful for you. Omotenashi, subjugation of self in service to a guest.